So you're like, that's like when Jeff Van Gundy called Mike.
What?
So you're saying that you are to Bill Belichick what Mike Francesa is to Jeff Van Gundy.
I mean, Mike makes so many outrageous claims. Who the hell knows what a relationship was? Yesterday, apparently, he said that the reason Odell Beckham didn't get any more personal fouls called against him by referees is because Mike told him to calm down. That he's responsible for Odell Beckham's better behavior on the field.
Okay.
I mean, dude, get over yourself.
All right, but well.
Ever since I told him that's bad behavior, he didn't do it no more.
Okay.
We take responsibility for that.
We do.
I mean, come on. I told the Cowboys to draft Jason Witten. That's me.
Yep.
Now,
yes,
I did not know who George Core was or what team he coached, but I'm responsible for Odell Beckham becoming a much more mature guy.
And you saved Bill Belichick from getting shot from
I didn't save him from nothing. I just tell you what he said.
Oh, I see. Okay.
All he said was, they want to kill me. They don't know why I bench Bernie Kosar, but Bernie Kosar can't play anymore. Todd Philcox is the answer.
Oh,
Todd Philcox. By the way, here's the audio I'm talking about. Play it, boys.
When he got into the nonsense, without any question. That's the only game where I've ever seen him completely out of control. There are other times, though, where I thought he had to stop chatting with the officials, and when I got on him big time for doing that this year, he did not do that again in a game this year. He never started. He really started, after we talked about that, and I talked about it with Eli that week, he really started to stop chatting after every play with the officials, which he had been getting to early in the season. He backed off that completely.
There you go. He's a gift to all Giant fans.
So Mike thinks that Odell Beckham Jr. drives around in his car listening to WFAN?
Yeah, and that once he went on the radio and said, you got to stop chirping at refs, he stopped. Of course, if you watch the game against Green Bay, what was he doing after most plays?
Chirping at the refs.
Yeah, that's an interference ref. What are we doing?
Yeah.
But I'm telling you, a gift that keeps on giving. That's fantastic. He listens to me. He stopped. I told him.